नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं DTNRST। आंध्र प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने कहा, यह कोई राजनीतिक आरोप प्रत्यारोप का खेल नहीं है। पहले वे सेना पर हमला करते थे, अब वे नागरिकों पर हमला कर रहे हैं। खुफिया और सुरक्षा बलों के सक्रिय होने के बावजूद वे ऐसा करने में कामयाब रहे। इसने सभी को अंदर तक हिला दिया है। वे हम पर हमला करने वाले कौन हो? अगर वे मारते हैं तो यह उनके लिए आखिरी दिन है। भारत बहुत मजबूत है। पेश एक रिपोर्ट।
Prime Minister for dealing very stubbornly. Otherwise, if it is a weakness, then everybody can play their own game. Then there won't be any security or safety.
So where do you think the lapses have happened? Because we see several people coming out with various theories and whatnot. You've been a chief minister for longer than anybody. You've known the ins and outs of governments. According to you, this has been turned into a political game.
No, what I'm saying is not a political blame game. First of all, earlier they used to attack army. Now they are attacking civilians. It is very unfortunate. Anybody can do coward activity.
DTNRST।
Hit and run. That is not a big issue. But country, intelligence, everybody is active. In spite of that, one sporadic incident happened. It has shaken the masses. Under sentiments, who are they to attack us? Is it right? Even what is the sin they have committed? They have gone to Kashmir to witness, to spend some time. It is part of India. So there is a sentiment all over the country now. Now don't bring caste, religion, all these things. That is not correct approach. Some political parties also, beyond political partisan activities, attitude, you have to come out. That is very needed hour, needed time.
You're warning to the terrorists. You're warning to the terrorists.
I am very clear. I am warning the terrorists. You don't have any right to interfere in our land, our people. You cannot kill. If you kill, that is the last day for them. That is the message you have to give.
And as a strong Indian nation and an Indian government, what is the kind of message that you want to give to our allies, in India who are supporting Pakistan and these terrorist, affiliated organizations?
No, I am very clear. India is very strong. Nobody can shake India. Nobody can threaten India. It is a covered activity. Anybody can come, hit and go. That is only one time they can do that. But that is not permanent. Even we are having very strong leadership and also very decisive decisions they are taking. Anybody will do this type of activities, they are going to pay heavy price.
The
So
timing is
Pakistan
also
national will not be
quite.
permitted to India. Is it need both country people are suffering from this terrorist and political decision?
No, what I am saying, you are talking all wrong way. It is our country. It is our land. Who are they to come as terrorists? Who are they to do all these things? Then they don't have any place on earth. Terrorists, they don't have any place on earth. I am telling you very clearly. You cannot play. Now, Chandramouli was killed, Massoud was killed. You have given license for them. Who are they to kill? They don't have any right. That is where I am saying, even anybody is supporting, they are all against India. Nobody is having any right to kill Indian citizens. That is what I am saying.
So the timing is also quite convenient, don't you think? Because the Vice President of US has arrived here. We're seeing several people, just elections happening in Jammu and Kashmir.
No, what I am saying, timing is very, very, I can say, not vulnerable, awkward. They want to create now, Vice President, United States is here. Our Prime Minister has gone outside. Recently, elections have went on very smoothly. There is a democratic government. Now they have done. What is the message they want to give? Is it not our responsibility to be very strong and very decisive, very firm? We will be very firm. That is
We
what I am
call
saying.
for the other nations to boycott these kind of terrorist organizations, stand with India in a sort of message.
Our Prime Minister is doing wonderful work on that front. Not now. From the beginning, he is mobilizing the support of all nations against terrorism, against terrorist activities. That is what he is doing from the beginning. Now it has happened. Now, our government, you know very well, they are very clear. Nobody is having right to enter India and do this type of activity.
Sir, Congress leader what said that this incident happened due to Hindutva of the PM Modi. How
No,
can we
no, what I am saying, all those things, politics is not correct. Nation is first. Politics is second. If you wanted to create politics for everything, that is not the correct approach at all.